Now this program code will check whether one alphabet is vowel or not. We are using here the OR operator. Two pipe symbols. Within the memory variable M, we have stored A, the character A. Now because we know that A, E, I, O, U, these 5 vowels are present, we have written within the if the condition. It is quite long and we have used the OR operator within this. So the if is checking if the value of A is equal to value of M is equal to A, or it can happen that value of M is equal to E, or M is equal to I, or M is equal to O, or M is equal to U, then it will print system.out.println vowel. Otherwise, it will come, suppose I have given here instead of A, if I shall give here suppose C. So C is not a vowel, it is a consonant. That means none of these conditions will match, so it cannot print vowel, so it will come to the else part and it will print consonant for us. Now here I have considered all the small alphabets A, E, I, O, U. It can happen that capital letters are also there, A, E, I, O, U. So either within this only by putting the OR operators we can insert all those other conditions. For example, OR M is equal to capital A, or M is equal to capital E, or M is equal to capital O, or M is equal to capital U, or M is equal to A, E, I, capital I. So if any of this condition is true, then it will print vowel, otherwise it will print consonant. Here we can see that we have stored a character which we have to write positively within a single quote. We cannot use double quote here. That means if anyone will write M is equal to within double quote C, then it will give us an error. It is a wrong type of writing. It should be a single quote because character will be represented within a single quote. So within the memory variable char, the C will be stored, and because it is not coming within any of these match, that is either capital A, E, I, O, U or capital small A, E, I, O, U, so it cannot print vowel at this moment, it will print consonant. Now suppose here I have given capital U instead of C. So in that case, small a is not matching, small e not matching, small I not matching, O, U, A, E, I. Here the M value with capital U is matching. So it will print vowel for us. So else part will not be executed in that case at all. So here the if else we have written with the OR operator. That is the use of the OR operator. So along with if else, where multiple conditions we can join together by using the OR operator. If we will draw the truth table for the OR, this is the OR operator, then we will write like this, that if both the conditions are false, then the output column will be false. If one is false but the other is true, then it will be true. So in the second condition also it is true. If both the conditions are true, then also it will be true. So either if both the conditions are false, then only it will be false. Otherwise, if any of this condition is true, then only it will be true. Or it can happen that all the conditions are true. In that case also, it will be a true condition.